As we know, ourselves and the rest of the world have been fighting with COVID-19. In the past few weeks and months, everything that we know has changed. It's had a huge impact on all of our communities. We believe as a company that caters to all the needs of our customers, everybody's safety is our main concern. We have done everything to share the responsibility to flatten the curve and help bring a safer environment within our community. We have consulted with medical experts and followed government and international guidelines to make sure you have a safe and comfortable shopping experience. We have had our stores sanitised by experts and conduct constant cleaning of all our store areas and our products to ensure you and our teams are safe. Our teams have been taken through medical checkups with weekly and daily follow-ups, including daily temperature checking. To ensure your protection, we will have our staff mandatorily wear face masks and face shields. We will help provide a stress-free environment by limiting the number of customers at any one time. We will recommend everybody entering the store to wear a face mask at all times, and there will be antibacterial liquid provided at key points throughout the store for everybody's ease while shopping or working. We will maintain physical distancing while in the store and ask customers to remain 1.5 metres apart at the checkout process. Now we are in a new phase. We have to be safer and smarter together within this new normal that now awaits us all. We wish you all to be safe, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon.